How to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you access your camera and microphone on TikTok. To do it, what you have to do is open up your TikTok application. After you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. So here, what you have to do is go to the profile or tap on the plus button from the bottom of the screen. As you click that, you shall be able to go ahead and see this option as add or enable camera and microphone. In my case, I've already done it but if you haven't, you could find it right on this page and click on open settings and make changes there. However, in other way, what you could do is long press onto the TikTok application and go to this I button. And next, what you have to do is go to permissions and make sure to enable camera as well as microphone, right? So you want to go to microphone and click on allow while using the app. Once you've done it, you'll have successfully allowed TikTok to access your camera and microphone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.